Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up YouTube Kids. Setting up YouTube Kids ensure a safer and more age-appropriate experience for your children. And through this video, I'm going to show you how you can set it up on your device. So on mobile device, whether it's iOS or Android, the first one that you need to do is download the YouTube Kids app. You can open the Play Store or App Store in here and then search for YouTube Kids. You can tap on search and type in YouTube Kids. Once you found it, you can just hit on install and just wait until the app is installed and downloaded on your device. So once installed, you can open the YouTube Kids application. And the next things that you need to do is set up a child profile. So in here, as you guys can see, I've already have two profiles on my YouTube Kids app. But if you want to set up a child profile from the scratch or for the first time, you can just tap on get started and then choose your child's age range and create a profile or select a child profile if one exists. So in here, if you want to add a new one, you can tap on the settings, but this is a parents only, so you just need to solve this simple math problem. And then here there will be the settings on YouTube Kids. You can just tap on add new. Okay, enter your password. Okay, once you enter, you can just create a profile by providing the kid's name and the age, also the birth amount. So this is optional, but the age and name is required. So you can just tap on this if you want to change the profile pictures. And once your profile has been created, you can just tap on the profile, and in here you can choose the videos or the channels that is right for your kids based on the age. And if you want to download a certain videos for offline viewing, here you can just tap on this three dots icon at the bottom of the video, and there will be this option download video. So once the video is finished downloading, let's just wait, you can find it under your stuff at the bottom in here. So when you click on your stuff, you'll see the downloads option. So here is the video that I just downloaded. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.